I'm Brandi Conder. I'm with Rapid Roofing and Restoration. So we get a call to action whenever the community is in crisis, whether it's a storm, tornado, hail, and we're able to help that family with some peace of mind, get a new roof put back on so that they know that they're protected. And I think that that really shows what New Hope's able to do for families as well. They try to keep families together, try to give them that stable environment and keep them together and protected. Monroe County suffers with a lot of homelessness issues. I think that it is so important because keeping those families together really does matter. When you have to separate families, siblings, mothers and fathers into different facilities, that makes it really hard to get your life back on track and to provide that stable home environment. I think it's also really important that they're able to have nutritious meals on site. I think that them having a chef there that helps prepare those for the children is really, really beneficial. It's really hard to be able to find a job or to continue your education if you're worried about childcare or if you're worried about your children. So for New Hope to be able to provide that childcare so that these families can be able to go out and get that foot forward is extremely valuable. Being the one organization in Monroe County that offers this is extremely valuable to the community.